Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. In this video, I'll show you how to make this simple and versatile card. The supplies you'll need are shown here. You'll need some paper for the base of your card, a pencil, a black pen, and some rhinestones, and then glue to glue on the rhinestones. Everything will be linked below for you. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. I started with the flower. And what's interesting about this design is that the flower and the hummingbird are a continuous line, so it gives it a unique look. And I have included a free template below. Once you have finished drawing out the design in pencil and are happy with it, take your thin black pen and trace over everything. I started with the flower and then I moved on to the hummingbird. Once you have the design drawn in pen, the next step is to lay out the rhinestones. So I started on the leaf and I placed the green rhinestones. As you can see, it took me a few tries to get them in the spots that I wanted. Then I added purple on each of the 3 leaf tips, 2 pink and a yellow in the center for the flower. And then for the hummingbird, I added 4 clear rhinestones, 1 on the head, body, tail, and tip of wing. And of course, an easy way to change up this design is to change the colors of rhinestones used. Once you're happy with the placement, the final step is to glue on the rhinestones. And once all the rhinestones are glued on, your card is complete. This is a really simple, easy, and versatile card to make. I really like the clean design and then the accents that the rhinestones give the card. Again, if you wanted a really simple design, you could always leave off the rhinestones. I hope you liked this video. Happy crafting!